How to add group admin on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to add WhatsApp group admin, first launch WhatsApp. And you need to note that you need to simply be the group admin for that group, and only you'll be able to add WhatsApp group admin. So let's open a particular group chat. Now tap on group info at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down, and here you will simply see that currently I am the group admin. Here you can see the list of members as well. You need to simply tap and hold the particular member, and here you will see from the menu different option. Simply tap make group admin, and to confirm tap OK, and this person or member will become group admin on WhatsApp group. In this way, you can easily add WhatsApp group admin. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.